It's Glenda, and today I'm going to be talking, it's going to be a fragrance review from Lone Star Candle. If you're not in the States, then this video may not be for you, because you may not be able to get these fragrances anyway. I'm doing this at the request of a viewer who wanted me to review my Lone Star candles, since it seems that I have plenty of them. I want to clarify that I don't have an affiliation with them. I just happen to like a lot of their fragrances. Alright, I'm gonna start with the one that I don't like the negatives. It's clean cotton type. And I've actually gotten this fragrance from another supplier. I also got the one from Wholesale Supplies, and I don't like theirs either. So I think I just don't like this scent, period, in soap. And I don't think I'm the only one who feels that way. I did get it because it's a scent that my husband asked me to get, and I regret that I got such a big bottle because I've only used maybe 1/3 of it, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with the rest. It is good, and this is the one use I have given it ever since I tried it in soap, is that I put it on my wool balls in the dryer, so that when I'm drying sheets, bed sheets, then it does give them that clean cotton scent. But in soap, I don't like it. And this one, I had it on it's Paramour. It's a type of a perfume. I did not like it when I was making the soap, but now that the soap is cured, it's okay. My husband does like it. It is a masculine scent, and it did behave well. It didn't change colors or accelerate it for me. This one does give soaps like a yellow beige tone. This one is only for candles. It's not for soap. I did make some wax melts with them, and I liked it. And this one, I like it. Dreamsickle. It's very sweet. It's very strong. It stays in soap for a long time. As you can see by even the color on the label from fragrance that has spilled, it does discolor to a dark brown. If you use a vanilla stabilizer, that helps. It does not accelerate, it doesn't go crazy on you, it doesn't rise, so it's good in that sense. This is one of my favorites, Peaches and Cream. I really like how this smells. It does discolor to a medium brown, but I think it's worth it. Whenever I run out, I'm gonna buy more, because peaches is one of my favorite fruits in fragrances, and it's hard to find one that's a good one that doesn't fade. Piña colada. I like this one. It didn't discolor. I didn't do a crazy design, so I don't know how it will do for intricate designs, but as far as the designs that I tried, that was very simple, was good. It does smell good. It does smell sweet. Have I finished my search for a piña colada scent? No. However, somebody told me that their Piña Colada Paradise is even better, so I'm gonna try that one next. Lavender. I really like their lavender. It smells very similar to Lavender Essential Oil 4042. It stays in soap for a long time. It does not accelerate. It does not discolor, so I'm very happy with this fragrance. Strawberry Kiwi. I like this one. I liked it better than another strawberry fragrance that I tried from a different supplier, but I'm not crazy about it. I'm not crazy about the strawberry scents to begin with, so I don't think I will buy it again. It does accelerate in soap. Like, you need to keep your design simple with this one, and it does stay for a long time. It's a very lasting fragrance. It didn't rise though. Hansel and Gretel's. This one I will buy it again. As you can tell, I'm almost done. It was a very popular scent during Christmas. Some customers prefer it over other Christmas scents. So, and I like it. It does discolor. The first time it discolored for me more than the second time though. It's like a medium brown to like a light brown. And they're peppermint. This was an 8-ounce bottle. I'm almost done with it. I like it. It smells just like almost, I would say, like an actual peppermint, like the candy. And it does stay in soap, which I've had some peppermint fragrances from other suppliers that don't last too long in soap. Now, this one, I don't know if you can see it, it's called Amber Vanilla. After buying the sample size, I bought a bigger size. I really like it. I like it a lot. It discolors slightly in soap. And I kept my design simple, so I don't remember whether it accelerated or not. It didn't accelerate crazy, but most perfumey type fragrances do tend to accelerate. But I don't recall with this one, to be honest. But it does smell a little bit like perfume. However, it is not neither too girly nor too masculine. Perhaps it's more girly because of the vanilla. So it's more feminine. But my husband likes it too whenever I use it in soap. I bought a sample of cinnamon sugar donuts. I have not tested it yet, but I love how it smells in the bottle. It does have a strong vanilla scent, but I think in soap it's gonna do good. It will discolor though. Pistachio macaron. My mom really liked this fragrance after I made a soap with it. It does discolor, but not as bad as another pistachio macaron that I have from a different supplier. It does smell like a little bit like pistachio, to be honest. But I'm not a fan of bake smells. Like bakery fragrances are not my favorite, so I may not be the best person to give you my opinion on it. Fig. I was surprised by it. I actually liked it. Not enough for me to say I'm gonna buy a bigger bottle, but I did like the soap that I made with it. It didn't discolor, and it didn't behave crazy either. Sweet Jasmine Vine and Lily of the Valley. I do not like floral fragrances, so let me be aware of that. So it's not a surprise that I have not tried them. However, Sweet Jasmine is halfway through, and I think I tried it in a blend. I just don't like the scent of jasmine that much. This one is not bad. It smells very similar to the actual flower, but I've never tried it by itself. My guess is that they accelerate. Lily of the Valley. This one smells good actually. It's not overpowering. So I should give it a try. Now this one, I have not tried either by itself. I have only tried it in blends. So I'm going to try it in a soap. I've read the reviews and they do say that it discolors. But out of the bottle, it smells nice. It's not overpowering. It's very soft. A little bit, I can detect some musk notes in it. Or at least that's what I think it is. But I don't know for sure. Now, Patchouli is another one that I haven't tried. I bought it to blend it with other fragrances, but I haven't tried it yet. It does seem to smell very similar to the actual Patchouli essential oil, the dark one, not the stinky one, because they have two types of Patchouli, I believe. And this one smells nice, because I don't like the other one. But anyway, this is my review. If there may be other fragrances that I don't have the bottles for anymore, so I'll talk about them a little bit more later.